Have you ever seen a polar bear? Maybe in pictures or in any video clipping or Discovery Channel or photographs? Have you? You know, this is a very peculiar animal. Okay, let us start from its color. What is the color of a polar bear? It is white. Why is it white? So that it can camouflage itself in the snow and protect itself from its predators, and also to cover itself in snow so that its prey cannot see it when it is trying to catch them. So, it has double advantage, right? Like in KBC they say double dubki. So, there is a double advantage in this. So, first point is that it is white in color, and what is the advantage? That helps to merge in the snow and protect it from its predators. It also helps to catch prey. All right. Now, it can hide itself in snow. But what about the low temperature? Of course, it does not have woolens like we have, but it has a natural system, and that natural system is it has thick fur. So, second adaptation is thick fur. Third is 2 layers of fat under the skin. And both these two features help to insulate the body. What does insulate mean? It helps it to protect it from cold. So, it keeps the body warm. In fact, the body is so well insulated that if it walks a little, the body becomes overheated, and as a result it has to wait or stop for a while. So, that much is the insulation. So, what does it do when it becomes overheated? After every physical activity or after some physical activity, when it feels very hot, you know what it does? It takes a plunge in water, just like you or me. It is a very good swimmer. And how does it swim? It has webbed feet. So, next adaptation is webbed feet help to swim. In fact, it can close its nostrils and remain underwater for many hours. Another feature about polar bear is that it has a very keen sense of smell. Which other animal has very keen sense of smell? Yes, the dog. That is why police uses dogs to smell any criminal, right. So, whenever they want to actually find out somebody, they use the dogs, and polar bear also has a very keen sense of smell. Which helps to locate the prey. Then about it has to live in the snow laden area, and have you ever tried walking on snow or ice? It is very slippery, it is very difficult, but polar bear is able to walk on snow. How? Because it has very sharp and curved claws. So, the next adaptation is sharp and curved claws help to walk on snow. Right. Now, this is how a polar bear is able to survive in such an extreme condition of cold climate successfully, because it has these features, and these features are called adaptations. So, what are adaptations doing? The adaptations are helping polar bear to survive in that cold climate. So, how can we define adaptation? Are the features. Anatomical feature means structural features and physiological are functional, but here we will just take features in general. Adaptations are the features that help an organism to survive and breed in a particular climate. So, polar bear has all the required adaptations which will keep it warm, help it to catch prey, locate prey, protect from predator, walk on snow and remain also in water when the body gets overheated. See what a beautiful thing about the nature. And similarly, if we want, we can also adapt to our environment. In fact, we must. Only then we can survive. And you know, the interesting thing is, once we adapt to the environment also starts adapting to us. Now, the other animal found in the polar region, and that is a penguin.